It's easy to sell every day. 30 kilograms of claw rice. What kind of food resort is this? Peshawar, Pakistan. Karbala Town. Celestial Dawn. The streets are still shrouded in a hazy morning fog. As the most famous hotel in the area, the store has started a new day of business. This is a town that fuses old and modern. And this old restaurant, in the morning light, revealing a warm and simple atmosphere. The hotel clerks have arrived early. They were hustling around the huge stove in front of the store. This stove is the real heart. Open-air design. Let customers enjoy the delicious food at the same time. Feel the chill of the morning. Wood is plugged into the fireplace one by one. The flame that ignited in an instant jumped, shine a warm and bright light. The burly chef also began his performance. The diameter of the cauldron is actually nearly 2 meters. A multi-mouth pot on the stove. Everyone is waiting for this delicious feast. First of all, he started from the hoard on the side. Remove a large amount of bagged ghee. Without hesitation, pour into the 2 largest pots. The ghee melts slowly in the pan, releasing his characteristic alluring aroma. Then, 5 plates of fresh beef were served on the stove. The meat is naked in the air. Exudes a fresh smell. It might just be a primal beauty. The chef put the beef hard. Pour into the pot in one go. The loud noise shocked everyone around. Then onions. The addition of salt and various spices. 5 colors staggered. Full of color and fragrance. Of course, it might be a little early to say that. But the finished product is bound to be And then an astonishing scene happened. The chef put a hose on the side of the pot. Fill the pot with water directly. Clumps of water. It seems to be painting this delicious painting. Provide the source of life. The lid is closed. The stewing process begins. The kitchen is filled with intoxicating aromas. At the same time, the clerks on the other side were not idle either. The work of washing the rice is underway. Usually, 5 large bags of rice need to be processed at one time. They carefully pour you into the red. Repeated cleaning. Make sure every grain of rice is washed. Removal of impurities. The water became cloudy, but it keeps being dumped. In the end, only white rice grains are left. in these busy figures, and the clerk is preparing a lot of shredded carrots. For the upcoming Kabuli pizza, add color and nutrients. Different from domestic kitchen culture in places like Pakistan and India, deeply rooted in the country's history and social customs, local cooktops are usually built outdoors. This design exists not only for climate, it also bears the traditional cooking method and people's way of life. Outdoor cooktops are usually made of dirt, built of masonry or steel. It is practical and durable, and it adapts to a variety of cooking needs. After all, the local climate is hot. There is no good range, hood, and other equipment yet. And what about the cooktops in Pakistan? Not only for preparing daily meals, culinary events that also host festivals and celebrations. People come together to share delicious food, enhance family and friendship. In rural areas, cooktops are often the place for family interaction. Especially women cook here. Conversation and passing on traditional recipes. After the cleaned rice has been rinsed many times, become white as snow, shine a crystal clear luster. Then it was poured into a boiling cauldron at one time. Kabuli grape. It is a very popular traditional food. It's golden, clear grains of rice, soft and sweet in the mouth. The aroma of beef, blending the scent of onions and spices. Generally speaking, a delicious table with ancient prices. For 600 rupees, and the price for half is 300 rupees. Whether tourists or local residents, everyone is fascinated by this delicious food. Cover the pot again. Compaction with a cloth bag. The whole combination is tightly locked. The delicious taste of dawn is quietly brewing here. Ready to pour into the pot from start? It took 2.5 hours. Then Kavali in vain. He quietly completed his transformation in the pot. When the lid is lifted, steam rises. The delicious aroma instantly fills the entire hotel. It's tempting to swallow. "9:30 in the morning. The hotel's business hours are officially open, usually until 11:30 p.m. A steady stream of diners. You will also taste delicious food here. Chat and laugh. Every day, thousands of caddies in Cafe Hulao is making female sales. It's not just a dish. It's a part of people's lives. It's an emotional sustenance. This is the morning in Day Karbala. Simple daily life. But it is a natural display of tradition and enthusiasm. Let everyone who comes here, you can feel Pakistan, the charm of food culture, and people's love for food.